In conversations, I observe more than I talk.
Joy Lab.
Hello everyone, I'm Tanya Lehman, the Speaking Confidence Coach. I help introverts communicate with confidence without changing your introvert nature so you can thrive in the workplace, in relationships, and in leadership. This is part one of a three-part series on something that quietly drains a lot of professionals: workplace group chats. You know the ones: Slack threads, team texts, non-stop notifications, and if you've ever opened up one and immediately felt overwhelmed, you are not the problem. Today, I'm going to give you permission and show you a better way. Let's start with the first three signs that group chats are not designed for introverts and what to do instead. Number one, you process before you respond. In a fast-moving group chat, the expectation is speed, quick replies, fast reactions, instant input. But that's not how introverts operate. You think first, you process, you refine, and by the time you've crafted a thoughtful response, the conversation has moved on. So you say nothing, and then it feels like you didn't contribute. But here's the reframe. You didn't fall behind. You were thinking, and that's not a weakness. That's depth. So a workplace alternative. Instead of forcing yourself to keep up in real time, try this. Follow up after. Send a thoughtful message directly to your manager or team. Hey, I've been thinking about that earlier thread, and here's an idea. In many cases, that kind of response carries more weight than a rushed reply. The second sign that group chats are not designed for introverts is that surface level chats drain you. Okay, let's be honest. A lot of workplace group chats are filled with quick reactions, emojis, side comments, light banter. And while that works for some people, for you, it's exhausting because you don't just want to talk. You want to say something that matters. Introverts are wired for depth. So when the conversation says surface level, your brain quickly checks out. And again, you say nothing. Here's a workplace alternative. You don't have to match the tone. Instead, elevate it. When you do contribute, bring substance, a clear idea, a thoughtful question, a meaningful insight. You don't need to send more messages. You just need to send better ones. Before I share the third sign, please take a moment to hit like and subscribe. It helps more quiet professionals find their voice by finding my YouTube videos. And if what I'm saying resonates with you, look below for more resources. If I'm describing you, I want you to know you're not alone. Let's work together, because becoming an introvert who can confidently speak up is the most effective way to build stronger relationships, earn respect at work, and share your ideas where they matter most. The third and final sign of this video that group chats are not designed for introverts is you're observing more than talking. Here's what most people misunderstand. Just because you're quiet in a chat doesn't mean you're not engaged. You're actually doing something many others aren't. You're observing. You're noticing. Tone shifts, team dynamics, what's being said and what isn't. And it's incredibly valuable in the workplace. But because it's quiet, it often goes unseen. Here's a workplace alternative. Use what you observe strategically. Instead of reacting in the group chat, bring your insight into one-on-one conversations, meetings, and thoughtful follow-ups. You might say, I noticed there were a few different perspectives in that thread. Here's what I'm seeing. That kind of contribution positions you as a thoughtful, aware, and leadership-minded. Here's what I want you to take with you today. Silence in a group chat is not failure. It's often processing, discernment, intentionality, and you don't need to compete with noise to make an impact. In part 2, we're going to talk about something even more important, energy. Why group chats drain you, and how to protect your focus without hurting your reputation at work. I'm Tanya Lehman. You are valuable. You can speak up.
Joy Lab. Learning done right.
Learn more with Joy Lab. Like, subscribe, comment, share. Visit us at www.joylab.biz. Thank you.